Ready or not, here I come! Loop?
I am not Loop. I am the mailbox. Move on!
Dad? Where have you been?
Oh, sorry, Ricky. I've been out all night doing, the usual rescue bike things.
Cool! Like what?
Well, putting out a fire, on a cliff, over a flood. I think there may have been a rock slide too, but I was upside down beneath a hang glider at the time.
All of that happened? Why didn't you tell anyone?
Oh, I did. Officer Bunker was there, so was Maxwell. Oh, and the whiz-bangs. They were all helping.
But I missed it. I need to know when big things happen.
I think I know how. With this, you'll get emergency calls right away.
Hang Zoom reporting.
Yeah!
When you're older, you'll have your own, just like it. But you can try it out for today if you like. You'll be ready to go as soon as anything comes on.
I want one too!
It's an emergency radio, Toot.
Plus, it has blinking lights and it makes noises.
It's part of a real rescue bike's job.
Can I have one too?
You can have my old one, Toot.
Yippee!
Nobody could touch Loop. Look at that fancy tyre work.
Over to Ricky!
Hang Zoom reporting a cloud coming in.
The radio!
Repeat, fluffy, puffy cloud coming in. Over.
Aw, that's not an emergency.
Ready, Ricky?
Ready?
Officer Bunker here, reporting a code 81B. Blip has a rock stuck in his spokes.
I got it out. It wasn't a rock, it was gum.
Oh, never mind. Order note.
No, why can't something exciting happen? I'm ready to roll. Ready to be a rescue bike. I just need a real emergency call.
The fluffy cloud is gone. Repeat, the fluffy cloud is gone. Over.
What does it do? These lights come on, but if you shake like this, these lights blink. This is all I'm doing today.
Muffler Crunk is up to something, and only I, Steel Awesome, can stop him.
There's a Steel Awesome movie on.
This is Steel Awesome calling anyone who believes in justice.
This is Steel Awesome calling anyone who believes in justice. Is anyone there? This is Steel Awesome.
Steel Awesome! It's Steel Awesome!
If anyone can hear me,
Whoa.
listen closely to my strong, heroic voice. Muffler Crunk is here, and he has brought his atomic hypnotizing machine.
Muffler Crunk is in Wheelford. His atomic hypnotizing machine makes bikes do whatever he tells them.
I'm going to try and make my way to Sector 4, the middle of the city. If there's anyone left who is not hypnotized, meet with me there. You'll recognize me because of how
Awesome I am.
That's gotta be the town square. Let's zoom!
Are we sure Muffler Crunk is hypnotizing everyone?
Look at his eyes! He's totally hypnotized!
Oh, yeah. Go ahead, please.
But the traffic light is red.
Oh, yes. So it is. There. Now it's that other color. Go ahead.
Officer Bunker would never tell us to go through a red light.
He is hypnotized! Look!
Ouch. Where was I going? Oh, yeah. Ouch.
Maxwell too? Is there anybody not hypnotised?
It worked! I have hypnotized the entire city. Everyone is under my control.
Everyone but us! Everything looks so normal.
That's just what Muffler Crunk wants us to think.
That's his first mistake. I never think.
Ricky Zoom to Steel Awesome. We're in Sector 4, but we can't see you anywhere. Are you still there? Steel? Oh no! Steel must have been captured. It's just us now.
Ricky, there's an emergency on the bridge. We need your help with a rescue.
My dad's been hypnotised. Muffler Crunk's using him to trick us, so he can hypnotise us too. But we're not going to fall for it.
I might. I always fall for things.
No, you won't, Lou, because we're going to catch Muffler Crunk first. Scootio, we need your dad's crane.
Varoo!
Dad, I know you're hypnotised, but can we borrow the crane for a little while?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I suppose so. What was the question?
Right here, DJ.
Make way for the zoom. And also the wax.
Try it out, Lou. Good. Extra slippery.
I'm okay!
How's the crane, Scootio?
Craning!
Zoom-tastic! Places, everyone! Muffler Crunk has to go past here. All we can do is wait.
Can we wait and scratch? Or I have an itch. Someone's coming!
Wait until he hits the wax, and then crane him like he's never been craned.
Whoa!
Crane, go!
Ah!
Ha! Gotcha, Muffler Crunk.
Help! The ground is way lower than it's supposed to be.
Blip is Muffler Crunk.
I'm Muffler Crunk. How would I not know that?
It has to be a trick. Muffler Crunk,
Can you hear me?
Huh?
Muffler Crunk,
I'm not Muffler Crunk. Who is this?
Toot?
You're not Toot, I'm Toot. And you're making me miss the end of the movie.
Your hypnotizing machine won't hypnotize anyone else today, Muffler Crunk.
But I like hypnotizing. It's fun.
It's a movie?
What's a movie? What's happening?
But that means my dad isn't hypnotised by Muffler Crunk, so that means he really needs me. Bye, buddies. Let's zoom out to the bridge. Dad, Mum, I'm here.
Ricky, what took you so long?
We need your help. It's hard to explain, but I'm here now.
Never haul bricks and a pipe at the same time. Bit off more than I can chew here, eh?
Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go! DJ! Scootio! He used the crane!
Got it!
Lift it up!
Thanks, DJ.
Great rescue.
Oh, thanks, everyone. You saved my bricks. I don't even know what I'm going to build with them, but I tell you what, it's going to be very bricky indeed.
Can we go home now?
It's a good thing you got here, Ricky. After we called, we thought you weren't going to come at all.
I didn't mean to take so long. We thought everyone was hypnotised.
Not hypnotised, just tired from rescuing all night.
Bike buddies, bring the crane. Shh, let's get him home. He's done enough rescuing for one day.
Emergency! What is it? A rescue? A rescue? Oh, it's much, much worse than that. I've been ordered by police headquarters to take a day off. Why is no one gasping? There should be gasps of horror!
Isn't a day off meant to be fun?
No, absolutely not. There won't be anyone to oversee the rules in town without me.
I could fill in for you. It's been my most treasured dream to be a police officer ever since you mentioned it right now.
But you haven't had any training. And who will deliver the meal? I will. Just call me the Hank Zoom Express. But what if there's an emergency?
Don't worry about a thing. Ricky and I are standing by.
My engine's always running.
Well, then, I guess I'm taking a day off. Officer Hoopla?
Who? Oh, yeah, that's me.
I hereby hand my duties over to you. Just remember to serve and protect Wilford and enforce all 1000 codes in the rulebook.
Okie dokie.
And block off the adventure park. There's construction there today.
Consider it blockarooed.
Bye. See you later.
Bon voyage.
Officer Hoopla, ready for duty.
And the Hank Zoom Express will deliver so fast, you won't even see me.
Our dads are going to be great.
No, they're going to be awesome.
Sorry, wrong way.
Me too.
Maybe we should follow them? They might need a little help.
Oh, a slippery oil slick. Now, let's see what the code is for that.
Hey, Luke. I heard your daddy's doing Officer Bunker's job today.
Yep, he's just like a real police officer.
Ah, code 71. Oil can grease a squeaky wheel. That's good advice. Okie dokie, folks. Officer of the law here. Speed up and slide over and have a happy day. I was built to be a cop.
He's almost like a real police officer. Maybe we can help him out. Just a little. Grappling hook, go!
ScootBots, roll out.
Nice work, buddies! Dad! Hey, Dad, how's the mail delivery going?
I never knew this could be so much fun, and I'm really good at it.
See? I knew he'd do a great job. And so fast.
Ooh.
Maybe too fast. He's mixing up the packages.
And my dad's mixing up all the police codes.
They'd be so sad if they knew. They're trying so hard.
They'll get better, right? After a little while.
Okay, I've heard you. I'm aware there's a siren. Okay, shush. Naughty siren. Naughty. Listen to your owner.
After a long little while? Maybe we can help them out without them knowing. Secretly helping them without them knowing? Of course! What could possibly go wrong? Bike buddies, wheel it in!
Yeah! That's it, boxes. Stay nice and still. Good, boxes.
Wow, what a mess! What happened?
I tried to show your dad how to organise the mail, but he started delivering before I could finish. So everything is in the wrong place. Almost. No! Why me?
Don't worry, Blip. We'll make sure everything gets where it belongs.
We'll help sort these. Then my dad can pick them up and deliver them in order.
Thanks, friends.
Oh, this is almost too easy.
Okay, folks, just follow the sign. Whoa.
Grappling hook, go! Doing stuff secretly is even harder than just doing stuff. Keep it up, guys. We're almost done.
Ricky! Oh, yeah, I'm waiting for a very important package of new tools. But your daddy's sick zooming around so much I can't catch up to him.
Don't worry, Mr. Rumbler. I'm sure he'll have it delivered soon.
Oh, thanks, Ricky. We can't fix the junior bumper in the adventure park without him.
Junior bumper is broken, so that's why Officer Bunker told Loop's dad to block off the adventure park.
Did Mr. Hoopla remember to do it? Better check.
I'm sure he wouldn't forget.
The junior bumper.
Oh, remember how we used to love it when we were kids?
Should we have a go? I remember how we used to love it. I don't think I love it anymore.
Hang on tight, Mr. and Mrs. Whizbang. We'll get help.
Oh, we've got to find that package of tools for Mr. Rumbler.
I don't see it anywhere.
This is the most fun I've ever had. I can deliver mail all the time.
You should try police work. It is so easy.
Uh-oh! Quick, hide!
Ricky? Scootio? What's going on? Are you sorting my mail?
I'm sorry, Dad. We didn't want you to think that you and Mr. Hoopla were doing a bad job, so we secretly did a little work for you.
For me too? I had everything under control all by myself.
Ricky, Scootio's mum and dad, the spinner's out of control. Quick, help! It won't stop spinning.
Code red. Adventure park emergency. I'm on my way.
Officer Hoopla, did you block off the adventure park?
Oh, right. Yeah, I was just about to do that.
We can do it later. Right now, we need to find a package of tools that was supposed to go to Mr. Rumbler.
Let's track it! Zoom cam, go! Found it! Looks like it was dropped.
Oh, maybe I was going a little too fast.
Maybe, but fast is just what we need right now. What do you say, Dad? Emergency delivery from Hank Zoom Express?
Sounds like the perfect job for me.
And maybe Officer Hoopla, can clear the way so Mr. Zoom can zoom!
Yeah!
Let's do this.
Everybody else, to the adventure park. Bike buddies, wheel it in. I bet my mum has already got them off the junior bumper by now. Mum?
I tried to stop it! It's out of control!
There's the emergency stop button. Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Thanks. Everybody off.
Roll back! Clear the road, folks!
The Hank Zoom Express is on its way.
Thanks, everyone. Now, which way is home?
We'll make it. We're not dizzy.
Now we need to get this thing fixed.
That should do it. Go on.
Well, go on. Give her a spin.
Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Well, I gave it a try, but maybe I'll stick to being a rescue bike from now on.
And I missed my mail run. I mean, who can remember all these rules?
Oh, I can.
Welcome back! Officer Bunker,
You're back!
We missed you!
Officer Bunker, I have missed you. Don't ever leave again. Don't ever leave again.
Looks like it was a quiet day while I was gone. Maybe I should take the whole week off.
No!
Was it what?
Are you almost done, Maxwell?
You can't rush an engine checkup, Ricky. Do you want it done fast, or do you want it done properly?
Fast! I agree too!
Fast.
You kids, always in a hurry. Oh, I remember when I was young. I used to go up to Windshield Point, flip upside down, and just spend all day watching the sun go down.
Upside down? Why?
Come to think of it, I don't know. Just seemed like the thing to do.
Fred Whizbang to Maxwell. My trailer hitch is broken. I'm on my way there now to have it fixed.
Officer Bunker to Maxwell. Code 44. Traffic light out. Nobody knows how to fix it. Could you have a look? Oh.
Victor Maxwell, our radio duped our mistake. Over. But also, my engine is going really slow. I think it's broken. Over.
Oh, so much for my free afternoon. Better get my special tools.
Wow, Maxwell seems like he could really use some help. Bike buddies, I have an idea. We can take care of all those repairs so Maxwell can have his free afternoon.
Yes!
We know how to fix things, right?
No, we sure don't.
Definitely not.
Oh, right, we don't.
But I know someone who can help. ScootBots, go!
They can do those repair jobs?
They can learn. Watch this. ScootBots Learn Mode. There!
Ricky? Bike buddies? Always in a hurry.
Oh.
Hey, Dad! Problem with your trailer hitch?
Yeah, it rattles and... Oh! It keeps coming loose. I'm on my way to Maxwell's.
RepairBops can fix that.
RepairBops, fix fast.
What? ScootBots? What are you doing?
Hey, that's perfect. Thanks, ScootBots.
Come on, let's zoom out.
See you, Dad.
Why can't I go faster? Go! Go!
Do you want some help with that?
Well, I don't know.
RepairBops, go! Get ready, Blip. It tickles.
What? Then forget it. I'm super ticklish. You can't catch me. It tickles! It tickles! Hey, it's fixed and I'm not as ticklish as I thought.
Come on, just one more job.
No, citizens. Be patient. Officer on the scene. Stop honking. That's better. Right, who did that?
We can help, Officer Bunker.
RepairBops are on the scene.
I don't know. Fixing a traffic light is an important, delicate job. It has to be done properly.
Do it fast.
But then again, if you can do it fast.
RepairBops, go!
Oh, well, I never.
Fantastic!
Haha, thanks, bike buddies. And thanks, RepairBots, for helping out. I can get back to my usual rounds.
Varrow! We did it! I hope Maxwell's enjoying his time off.
Never mind, Maxwell. The light is all fixed. All fixed?
The trailer's working fine now, Maxwell. I'll see you next time.
I radioed you by mistake again. Sorry. But also, I don't need help anymore.
Well, that's a stroke of luck. All my afternoon appointments are cancelled. I think it's about time I had a little break.
What should we do now?
When you get things done fast, you have so much free time.
Blip, what's wrong?
Those robots fix my engine too well. Now I can't get it to stop. It just keeps going faster and faster.
Don't worry, Blip. We'll help. Scootio, can the ScootBots fix him?
Not going this fast!
I can't wait. Next green light, I am coming through.
Dad, watch out! Dad!
Wait, what's happening?
Dad, unhook from the trailer hitch!
I can't. It's too tight. It won't come off.
We need to slow them down. I know. Follow me.
but not stop here.
What's happening up ahead? I can't see anything!
DJ, clear the road!
Rev on!
Good job, DJ!
I'm speeding up again!
Where are we? I still can't see!
Just as relaxing as I remember.
Oh, look! It's Maxwell! I know! New plan! Scootio, ScootBots, go! This is our last chance! ScootBots, flip him upside down!
What?
Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Grappling hook, go!
Hooray!
We stopped! I mean, I totally couldn't see what happened, but you did it!
Oh, hello, Blip. Come to watch the sun.
Maxwell, we might have some things that need fixing.
How's that? Better?
Oh, much better. Thanks, Maxwell.
Now then, what about this traffic light? Oh, yeah, I can fix that, but it's going to take a while. Oh, how long? I don't have all day.
Do you want it done fast or done properly, Officer Bunker?
Properly, I suppose.
Why are we doing this? Just seems like the thing to do. Fantastic, Luke. I think everybody's going to love our show and tell booth.
Oh no, it's show and tell. We're showing Still Awesome, but we forgot to tell.
This tells that Still Awesome is super amazing.
Hello, kids. Oh, you're doing a fantastic job.
Thank you, Mrs. Barkley.
Thanks, Mrs. Barkley. Check out all this stuff.
Amazing! Thanks.
Selfie time. So, what are you going to show and tell? We've been working on it for days, but it's a secret.
Oh, okay.
Huh? Are you gonna ask what it is?
You said it's a secret.
Yeah, but it's the kind of secret that we show you right now what it is. So come on!
Prepare to be amazed.
Wait, Preparing. Okay, I'm prepared. I'm amazed!
What? It's a music player. When your wheels turn, it makes music. Watch.
We call it the Mega Cool Beat Blaster.
That's the best and only one of those I've ever seen.
Whoa! That's really cool!
Thanks. We hope Mrs. Bikely will let us use it in gym class.
Hey, Mrs. Bikely said to come see her when we're ready.
Can you guys stay here and make sure nobody touches our Mega Cool Beat Blaster?
Zoom on!
Thanks, Ricky. Come on, DJ.
Don't worry. Nobody will touch your mega cool beat, but... Loop! Does it look like it's on right? I promised Scootio and DJ we wouldn't let anybody touch their gadget. And nobody is touching it.
Nobody except for me. Come on.
Okay.
Yippee! Woo! Yippee! Woo!
Careful, Luke. You don't want to break Scootio and DJ's... gadget! Oh no! Broken. Definitely broken.
It was an accident, right? I didn't mean to break it. They'll understand. No, they won't. They're gonna be mad. Gotta go.
No, we have to tell them. Or do we? It's okay. I know everything about gadgets. Now, the springy thing definitely goes on that metal roundy bit. Or maybe the roundy bit attaches to the chunky thing. That thing's not chunky, it's squarey and, Loop, big problem. Scootio and DJ are coming back. We have to do something. You hurry and finish fixing the gadget. Leave it to Loop.
Leave it to Loop for a really, really long time.
Scootio, DJ, am I glad to see you? Isn't it a nice day? We should go for a ride back the other way, far away from your booth, and also, get a tune-up. You've got to try the new brake fluid everybody's talking about. I hear it's awesome. Come on. Who knew there were this many types of brake fluid?
Not my brake fluid.
We should really get back to our booth.
No! I mean, in a minute. You used to love this ride, remember? DJ, let's ride it for old time's sake. Hop on with me. There. Good as new.
So good as new. It's not even the same gadget.
One more try. Come on, just a few more times around.
It's time to get back to our booth.
Huh? No! Wait! Did you see the lug nut booth over there? Everybody loves lug nuts. Guys!
Hey, buddies! What's going on? Oh, it's time to show our gadget to Mrs. Bikely.
No! Wait! Good! So here. Why wouldn't it be, right?
Hey! Did you guys bump my table? It's crooked.
Sorry, I guess we did. We'd better get back to our own booth now. Bye!
Thank you for attending this year's show and tell event. There are so many exciting booths here today. But there's one very special project I'd like to share. 2 of my students, Scootio and DJ, have created a wonderful gadget. So without further ado, the mega cool Beat Blaster.
You did fix it, right? For sure.
Now let's see how this works. Oh my, isn't that lovely? It's not quite what I was expecting.
Mrs. Bikely! The boombox has become a boom booster!
Mrs. Bikely? Mrs. Bikely? What's gone wrong? My brake fluid? Again?
Sorry! We've got to do something to save Mrs. Bikely. Bike buddies, wheel it in!
Not still awesome!
Not our booth!
Mrs. Bikely is still awesome!
We need more speed, like Steel Awesome. Bike buddies, I have an idea! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Time to do something about that gizmo! Scootio, Luke, can you look out for Mrs. Bikely? Yes! DJ, can you bring that board over here? Yes!
Oh, she's coming back!
Ricky's to the rescue!
Oh, phew. Oh, excellent. Thank you, Ricky. That was a little more thrilling than I expected it to be. Oh.
But our mega cool beat blaster, it nearly ruined everything. We're sorry, Mrs. Bikely. We didn't know it could do that.
Scootio, DJ, this wasn't your fault. Loop and I
Broke your mega cool beat blaster!
we should have just told you.
Well, it's...
I think they're mad. I've never seen Scootio twitch like that.
Woohoo! Awesome!
Yeah!
Did you see how fast our mega cool beat blaster went? That was actually kind of awesome.
Way better than just playing music.
We'll help you fix it, Scootio.
Yes, after you clean up this mess.
Yeah, that too. Come on, let's get this mess cleaned up and see if we can make it go even faster.
And play music at the same time.
Aw, yeah!
Maybe just a little try. No, Loop. But I just... No!